Bundy's Garage, Bundy here. Hey, today we're going to be reviewing some side cutters, some dikes, also known as. I have some from Vise Grip, Irwin. I have a pair from Harbor Freight, and I have some Milwaukee side cutters here. I wish I had some channel lock side cutters. I couldn't find mine. I just moved into a new house, so they're probably lost somewhere or packed in a box. What I'm working on here is I have a valve cover off a J-Series Honda V6, and I'm changing out the valve cover gasket and the oil tube seals, which are down in here. And if you need to know how to do that, I'll put some links in the description below. You have the bolts that hold the valve cover gasket or valve cover on, and these metal parts, or this rubber in here, gets super hard, and then it makes it really hard to pull it off this bump right here to put on the new ones, right? Which comes with the valve cover kit, valve cover gasket kit. So what I typically like to do is I'll go ahead and get some side cutters and cut this off, and then just peel it off and put on the new gasket or grommet gasket. So I have three here. Actually, I have a couple. I've done some already, and I was very surprised to see which ones actually cut this and which ones didn't. Which one cut it and which one didn't. But one thing to note is how well the ends come together, how well the two cutting edges line up, right? So you can see, hopefully you guys can see that these line up pretty well, actually very well. These are off just a little. You can see right here, one edge is longer than the other as well. Not a whole lot, but something to take into consideration. These are Quinn. You can see that little logo right there. And then you have the Irwin Vise Grips diagonal cutters. These are 8-inch Irwin. You guys can see that, 1968333. So I'm just going to run through here and try to cut these metal caps off, and you're going to join me. We're going to see which ones cut best. So take it right here. I'm cutting through the metal and the rubber. Got that right there. Come a little bit farther. There you go. You heard it? Now I'll take this, grab it on the side and twist it to be able to get it out. So it's free. So not a whole lot of effort with the Quinns. Let's try the Milwaukee. So once again, we'll line everything up. I'm pushing as hard as I can. Oh man, it does not want to cut. Nope. Did it go through? No, it didn't cut through. You can see it made an indentation. It's kind of cutting, but didn't go through. Let me see if I can get on that same spot and see if I can cut through it. Nope, not yet. I cut through the rubber. The rubber is free and clear, well, almost. But I can't cut through this metal right here. And I'm pushing really hard. Come on. It doesn't want to cut through. Nope. It's just beating up this metal piece. Alright. Man. Now go over to the Irwin Vise Grips. I like this comfort handle right here. The Milwaukee's had it as well. Harbor Freight did not. Line it up again. Went through the metal. A little bit of effort, but at least I made it through. Once again, turn it on its side. Twist it. You can see, went right through it. So I was actually really surprised at this. I I bought these Milwaukees at Home Depot, and I was like, oh man, I was all excited and pumped about getting them. They cut through wire, no problem. But I know if you're on a construction site or you're an electrician and you're trying to get a day's work done, they're probably not going to last you. So I was actually very, very disappointed in these Milwaukees. The Harbor Freight Quinns did better than the Milwaukees, and I think the Vice Grip Irwins did the best out of all three. I don't know, it makes a difference when you have good tools. And if you're thinking about getting these at Home Depot, I would pass. They're pretty expensive too. They're not cheap. These are the 8-inch. They had a 7-inch version. I can only imagine how tough that must be. Yeah, and if anybody from Milwaukee is listening, come on guys, make a better tool. Seriously. If I was going to buy any of these, go with the Vice Grips, Harbor Freight, and don't even waste your money on these. If you guys want to see more videos on tool reviews and how to save money doing it yourself, please subscribe, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.